Hey everyone, this is Chris, come back with another new video. So in this video we have to talk about how we can play GTA 5 on your Android phone without any cloud PC or cloud gaming. With the help of Android emulator we can easily play this game on your Android phone. If you want to like this type of content, then like this video and subscribe this channel. Let's begin the video. First of all, you can see my phone specification here. Simply I open here settings, and this device name is Redmi 12 5G and it's a 128GB storage variant. You can see here currently installed here a hyper operating system on my device and based on latest Android version 14. If you want to install this emulator on your Android phone, then watch this video full. In this video we have to talk about a full process and best settings to run GTA 5 on your Android phone. Let's begin the video. First you need to open any browser here and search here Horizon Emulator. You can see here a spelling, it's a Horizon Emulator Android. You can simply search on browser and tap on first website. You can see your GitHub page, Horizon Emulator team, and after that scroll down here. Also you can read here installation process and configuration. Okay, after that simply click on releases Horizon Emulator 1.0. Click on this and after that simply click on Horizon Emulator 1.0 APK and download this application in your Android phone. After downloading Horizon Emulator, simply install this application in your Android phone. Then simply click on launch and allow this file access permission. After that open this emulator in your Android phone. After opening this emulator you can see here 4 options: containers, file, download and settings. First you need to open here download section. And update all drivers here first. Simply click on update all and wait here for updating. During updating simply click on settings here. After that simply click on X11 settings. First select here a display resolution extract, and display resolution you can select according to your choice. And you also can select here 1280 into 1024, and after that simply enable here stage to fit display. Then enable here PIP mode. After that you also can manage your trackpad mouse pointer speed mode. Pointer speed you can manage according to your choice. After that everything done in settings, simply move in download section. And you require to download all drivers I will show here. You require to download all drivers except Wine 9.3, 9.3, 9.4 and 9.5. After that you require to remaining all drivers you require to download and except 4 drivers here you can see on screen. After that simply click on container section. Then simply click on create a new container. Then this type of interface appear. Simply rotate this phone first. Okay, this type of interface appears. Simply click on settings and then this type of interface appears. Simply select your environment preset global. Then simply select here box 64 latest date. In my case latest one is 26. Simply I selected 26. After that simply select your DXVK drivers in async 2.0. In turnip driver simply select your version 6.5, and after that simply click on done. Click on done. After that simply click on 3 dot here and click on open. In first time it will take about 1 to 2 minutes, and simply wait here. Okay, after booting this type of interface appears, simply click on start. Simply click on start, and after that select your default tab, and then select your task manager. This type of interface appears, simply select your service exe. Okay, second one, and after that simply click on end process and click on yes. After that you can select any games and play in your Android phone. Thanks for watching this video.